Market is seeing finally action after 2 months of a lull period, especially the volatility seen in the market the months of March and April. Now, the month itself, if you look at it, the quarter numbers, we are seeing 6 mainboard IPOs. The numbers are roughly 9,000 crores of fund is being raised. But of course, the numbers are still muted as compared to the numbers seen in the third quarter of FY25 and even on the fourth quarter of FY25. But primary markets is coming back into the action. Now, is the IPO rush back? More than issue size of 10,000 crore is also expected to come in the second half of calendar year 25, and large names are there on the screen: Lenskart, Grow, NSDL, PhonePe, Tata Capital, and even LG Electronics from the MNC space, which should be in focus. Now, of course, the liquidity has returned in the market, but the stocks are still lagging in the IPOs in 2025. 59% of total issues, both if you include the main board and the SME, are still trading below the issue price, and only 41% are trading above these numbers. Now, interestingly, let's look at the startups also, which are actually eyeing for IPOs, and there are important reasons for it: strong liquidity coming in, a booming digital economy, and a global investor interest as well. And of course, the valuations are also premium when it comes to the Indian markets. Now, the startups hitting the street in 2025, they include PhonePe, Zepto, Boat, Cardeco, and including Bluestone, Avance, Grow, and even Physics Wala. So this is the entire list, the startups actually hitting the street as well. But now let's see how the wealth creation has actually panned out in the IPO street this year. Over the last 3 years, there has been almost 59 IPOs in 2023. Positive listings were almost 51. 2024, this number was on the higher side, 72 positive listings out of the 90 IPOs. And it's been a kind of a downward trend when it comes to the overall 3 years comparison. For 2025, only you could say 66% of IPOs have given a positive listing. So of course, markets are cautious, but primary markets is definitely back when it comes to the overall numbers and the liquidity.
Okay, the primary markets are making a comeback in the month